episode of Carly 2.
Hey Carly.
Hi Carly.
And today we're going to be making kinetic sand. So the first thing you'll need for the kinetic sand to make at home, not at the store, is 2 cups fine sand. So you want to add 1 cup. You want to make sure it's now even, so then it's obviously 1 cup. And then you need your second. Then you need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then you need to tap it a little bit to get it off. And then 2 tablespoons of dish soap.
There's 1 tablespoon.
Thank you. It's my helper, rather.
Do you need to introduce your helper?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, Carly's dad. This is Tia.
1.
Tablespoon.
Here we go. Let me get this next one ready for you and you can add it. That's another tablespoon. There you go.
Okay. Then I'm going to want to mix it all in. And if the whole thing doesn't always come out, you just need to tap it a little bit. Not everything will come out, but you just need to tap the sides of it. There. So then, while I'm waiting for a spoon, when this is done, I'll show you how it's
We need
supposed
to add some water, remember?
Yeah, we're going to add some water.
So we need to add,
Just a little bit of water.
let's mix it all up first, okay? Before we add the water. Okay, kind of mix it, Carly. Give it a good mix. There you go. Now we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of water. So,
1/4 cup. This is how it should look like right now.
that's about a 1/4 cup right there.
And if you want to make this at home, I suggest putting it into like a container or something if you're going to play with it in your house, because sometimes it can make a mess. So if you need any more water, this might need a little bit more, but if you need any more, all you need to do is just put like another 1/4 cup in, and then let it sit for about
So the water's like as needed, right?
as needed. So this is how, like,
So you think
just
it?
a tiny bit more. Probably not even a 1/4 cup.
Okay. There you go.
Okay. So then you're gonna want to keep stirring, and then you could let it sit in the sun because it'll dry faster. But if you want to leave it inside, then you could do that, and then it'll take about 2 hours. So this is how it should look like right now. But then you want to let it sit for about an hour in the sun, or if you want to let it sit inside 2 hours. But this is how it should look like.
Well, you gotta add your food coloring, right?
Yeah, but this is how it should look like. I even added food coloring into this, which I'll add food coloring into that too.
It's right there. Your food coloring is right next to it.
I'll add.
Oh, you want to do a different color this time?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'll add red.
I see. Good idea. So you're gonna go red instead of blue this time.
Red instead of
There you go.
This looks like a green color, but it's actually, yeah, I mean a lot. This looks like a lot, but it's actually a little.
Okay.
Okay, so you want to just stir till all of it's mixed in, and then let it sit. And then there you go, you have it.
Maybe we add a little bit more water on
Yeah,
that
just a
one.
little bit.
What do you think? Just a little bit. There you
just
go.
a little tiny bit more. There you go.
There it is. Now mix really good. that water kind of triggers the soap.
Yeah.
And you'll get some bubbles in it, some soapy bubbles, which will disappear after it dries. And it kind of helps to bond all the sand together.
Yep. And then that's when you get your kinetic sand like this. And it sticks to your hands just a little bit, but you could always wash them off, or you could just dust them off like this. And this, this was not that much food coloring. It looked like I added in a lot, but it actually turned pink.
Let's see.
Exactly how I wanted it.
Give it a good stir, Carly. Really, there you go. Don't make a mess, though.
Okay. So it needs to be nice and all dissolved in with the water. And then you can let it sit in the sun, in your house, whatever you want, and then it's good to go. Just for an hour or two, or however you want, however you think it's ready. This is what we thought was ready. So this is how it's supposed to look. It's a little bit wet on your hands, but that's how you want it to be. If you want it to be like this kinetic sand, see, like you could roll it into a ball, and then you could, it just kind of falls apart. That's how normally kinetic sand is. So if you want to do that, you can. You can play with it. You could mess around with it, whatever you want to do. And then this, let it sit, and you're good.
Hey,
So,
Carly,
yeah.
you want to show everyone what your slime looked like after sitting from the last video?
Yep.
Here it is, right here.
So,
Oh, look at this.